Hey everyone, it's Nick from Park Journey. I'm here with Grace Peacock, Director of Communications here at Canada's Wonderland, and we're here to talk about the brand new ride right here, Tundra Twister.
That's right. I'm so excited. This is a big day for us.
It's been a while coming, but we're here and it's open. Grace, tell us all about what's new.
Yeah, this is a one-of-a-kind ride for us here at the park. Tundra Twister was designed by Mondial, the ride manufacturer from Netherlands. We've worked with them before on a bunch of rides, Windseeker, Riptide, Shockwave, Cyclone. And if you know those rides, they kind of have this like spinning theme, right? So this one certainly does not disappoint when it comes to the spinning. It's got this giant pendulum. At the bottom, it's got 40 seats on gondolas, and it takes guests 360 degrees in the air, 47 meters high, which is 2 meters shy of Wonder Mountain's height. And in addition to going 360 on this pendulum, the gondola seats also spin spontaneously as well. So you're getting turned and spinned every which way, and it's actually a lot of fun.
I love that Wonderland's the thrill ride capital of the world. So many awesome flats, and this is still so different from everything else in the park.
Yeah, it's, you know, we pride ourselves on bringing diverse rides to the park for guests, particularly our seasons pass holders who are here often and, you know, might be looking for something new. And we love our prototypes as well. What can I say, right? Because it's great to have something that you just can't experience anywhere else. So I think guests are really going to love it, and yeah, it's going to be fun.
That's awesome. And it's not the only new ride this year. There's also Snoopy's Racing Railway for the kids and families.
Yes, so Art Engineering designed that one for us. It's our new family launch coaster over at Planet Snoopy, and it's a great little ride for our youngest guests. We're excited to bring new things for families as well, to keep, you know, those attractions growing.
Grace, so along with all these new rides, we've got some new food and drink.
Yes, our food and beverage team loves a good theme. And so in honor of Tundra Twister, we have a new Tundra Twist cider, which is dragon fruit and mango flavored. That's in partnership with Ernest Cider, and is, I believe, the 7th signature park drink that we have here. As well, we've got Tundra Twist potatoes. It's a potato spiral on a stick, and you can get that with your choice of seasonings. And then we have a new Dippin' Dots flavor called Tyson's Gold Mine Mix.
Oh, okay.
Which is like, I can't remember, vanilla, cookie dough flavor, and some other chocolate flavor, I believe. But anyways, love it. My kids love Dippin' Dots every time we're here, so just try it.
It's definitely a staple. Well, thank you so much for taking some time with us today, and I'm sure we'll see you on the ride.
Yes.
I'm here with Peter Switzer, Director of Maintenance and Construction here at Canada's Wonderland, and we're here to talk about the brand new ride, Tundra Twister. Peter, tell us about the construction of this incredible new ride.
Well, Tundra Twister is our new ride for 2023, as you said. We started planning it about 2 years ago, and construction began in January of this year. We wrapped up heavy construction at the end of March and got into the final details and programming. We were a bit delayed on our opening due to some supply chain issues and some of the heavy electronic components, the frequency converters that we have on the ride. They were delayed. Regular lead time was about 4 months, took about 16 months for us to get them. Yeah, so it was a big job. We shoehorned it into this tight little space.
Yeah, for those of you that remember playing Roller Coaster Tycoon, if you look at this plot of land, it literally looks like they twisted it and just got, oh, it went green, put it down.
Exactly.
But there's obviously some challenges. It's built right around Yukon Striker. And we see a very unique platform, very different from some of the other rides that we have. Can you tell us a bit about that?
Sure. So the platform is quite large. It's the biggest platform we have in the park. It is quite heavy because of the size of it. So while our other platforms use hydraulic systems to raise and lower, we wanted something that could be fast to improve our cycle time. So we use a cable and drum system to raise and lower that platform. And it's been working great.
Great. And it's not a new manufacturer to Wonderland. We have quite a few rides from them. Can you tell us about our manufacturer here for this ride?
Sure. So the ride is manufactured by Mondial. They're based in the Netherlands. We've built 5 other rides with Mondial. This is number 6 in the park. So This was a concept ride for them that we saw an opportunity to add something new and unique to our park. We have many new and unique, well, not all new now, but unique rides in the park, and this is just another one.
Excellent. And it just amazes me that there's so many flat rides, the flat ride capital of the world, and it's still a very unique ride. It's something extremely different from everything else we have here.
Yeah, it's totally different. It is reminiscent of some other rides, and some people say it's a combination of a few different rides, but the ride experience is not like anything else. You did that twisting and turning in 3 different axes, but it's not something that makes you sick. It's surprising in that way.
Yeah, it looks like it might, but I've ridden it many times and it definitely doesn't, so it's very cool. Thank you so much for taking the time with us today.
Yeah, you're welcome.
See you soon.